Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to show you something that I like to have in the fridge because Mrs. KeefCooks loves it. I'm talking about preserved lemons. So if you've ever had a tagine, the chances are you've had a bit of preserved lemon because that's almost an essential component of a tagine. And it's really simple to make. Just 2 ingredients, lemons and salt. Oh, another one, thyme. It takes about 2 or 3 weeks for it to kind of work, but it's worth waiting for because it is fabulous. So let's do it. So to make preserved lemons, you need unwaxed lemons and you need sea salt. And you'll also need a sterile jar. So I'm actually sterilising an old coffee jar by boiling it completely submerged in water for about 10 minutes. Or, you know, a Kilner jar would be absolutely ideal. If you have one, get unwaxed lemons if you can. If you can't, then you can remove the wax from your lemons by putting them in a colander and pouring boiling water over it and then scrubbing it with a clean bit of a scouring pad. Some of these lemons were a discount, you know, past their sell-by date pack, and they got a bit scabby on the skins, so I'm getting rid of that because we don't want to see that. Probably wouldn't hurt you, but it doesn't look nice. And basically just throw it all over the place. I have to wash that now because I'm on telly. So cut the nub off the end and then cut through to the other end, but stop short about a centimetre, about ½ an inch. So you end up with 4 segments that are still joined together. I'll just do the rest while I'm waiting for the jar to finish getting sterilised. Right, when your jar is cool enough to handle, we can start packing the lemons in. So what you do is get a lemon and kind of squeeze in a couple of teaspoons of salt, really as much as you can in each one. Pop it in the jar, and this is going to get messy. And you want to kind of pack them in and press them down as much as you can to try and not have too many massive air pockets. I mean, after a week or two they will begin to collapse and, well, not solidify, but fill in the gaps. But if you start off with fewer gaps, then that's a good thing. I might have got exactly the right amount of lemons for this size jar. You never know. Okay, last one. In you go. Oh yeah. Oh, what fun. Just put some more salt in there. And yeah, that's it actually. So pop your lid on and put that in the fridge or in a cool, dark cupboard, and just turn it over every day. And that will, you know, spread out the juice and the salt and everything. And after, well, I normally do it for 2 weeks and we start eating it after that. So I'll finish this video in 2 weeks' time. Right, 2 weeks have gone by and my preserved lemons are ready, I think. Well, I'm pretty sure they are. So let's just grab one. Yay! And what you can do is give it a rinse to get rid of excess salt, if you like. But I don't think, well, I can't see any excess salt kicking around. So just grab a little slice. There's a pip in that one, get rid of the pips. And taste. Oh, that's amazing. It is salty. It's also very lemony. and the skin is lovely and soft, and yeah. So there's loads of different things you can do with preserved lemons. You could shove that inside a chicken. You can slice it and put it in salad dressings, or just chuck it on a salad. You can put it in a tagine, or any kind of stew, and it's brilliant with fish and with chicken. And Mrs. KeefCooks always puts them in sandwiches. So there you go. Anyway, preserved lemons, well worth the wait. So if you like that, give it a like, share, subscribe, become a patron, make a donation, all of that grand stuff. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.